Kanakona was one of the last territories which were taken over by the Portuguese in Goa. Owing to this reason, the people here are much more rooted to their past traditions. The Goff is a dance which has interesting formations. A lady holding a plate called thali takes a place near the courtyard. A member of the dance group comes forward and takes the thali from her. The dancer is welcomed as his feet are washed and kumkum is applied. After this, the dancer goes back to his group and dances with the thali. To begin with, a matto or a temporary roof is erected with a bundle of 6 to 12 ropes suspended from it. The dancer holds a napkin which is called as toni in the right hand, while with the left hand holds a rope which hangs from the suspended canopy. The Goff sequence can be ideally divided into two parts. In the first part, the dancers make a braided pattern with these ropes. These are unbraided during the second half of the dance, wherein the dancers move in the opposite direction from which they were dancing during the first part. Like many other dances, Goff is also performed during the Shigmo festival, a festival exclusively danced by men with the presence of a single woman who initiates the ritual. Conversely, in the Dhalo festival, only women can dance, having a single man present to begin the ritual. The musical instruments providing the rhythm for the Goff are the ghumat, shenai, dhol, taso, and zaghant. At times, even the harmonium and a tabla are used. The dancers, as they go about their act, sing songs dedicated to Lord Krishna. At times, popular songs are sung too. While dancing, there is no room for mistakes, as it could result in the rope weaving going topsy-turvy. It takes a great deal of concentration to weave the ropes attached to the canopy. And it takes equal amounts of attention to detail when the dancers have to unbraid the ropes. But what is the meaning of this intricate dance?
गोफ जेन्ना सगळं एकठांय येता त्या वेळाचेर तातूंत वेगवेगळ्या रंगाचे ह्यो अशा पद्दतीन नक्षीदार पद्दतीन ते सगळे विणून येता तो गोफ सगळो. आनी जेन्ना तो गोफ सुंदर एक विणिल्लो जाता त्या वेळाचेर आमकां तो सुंदर दिसता, कारण तो एक विणिल्लो गोफ आसता. पूण जेन्ना तो परत सोडयतात आनी सोडोवन जेन्ना वेगळे जातात त्या वेळाचेर प्रत्येकाच्या हातांत वेगवेगळ्या रंगाची दोरी आसता. तशीच आमची भारतीय संस्कृती कितलीशीं राज्यां, कितलीशीं भाशो, कितलीशीं संप्रदाय आमचे कडेन आसात आनी हे सगळे जाण आमी ह्या संस्कृतायेची वेगवेगळी रुपां जपत आयल्यात आपली म्हणून. पूण जेन्ना भारतीय संस्कृती म्हणटात तेन्ना सगळे जाण एकठांय येतात आनी त्या वेळाचेर ते भारतीय संस्कृतीचें एकात्म रूप आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा.
These dances, many others could be added. But what one should remember is that even though many of these traditional folk dances can be seen during the Shigmo parade in the cities, others are fast disappearing. folk heritage is a prism into the lives of how our ancestors lived. A way of life which was greatly minimalist and yet, at the same time, highly satisfying. The call to save our traditions has been sounded, and the time to act is now. It is up to the new generation to maintain it.